Roxy, you're gonna get up.
Airplane or what?
Roxy, you gotta get up. I gotta do airplane.
I want to do airplane too. I want to run.
Oh, Hannah's gonna steal you from me. Roxy, no.
I want to do an airplane now. I want to.
Okay, set her down, Hannah.
Airplane too.
Hannah, set her down.
Sarah.
Not on me.
Sarah.
What?
I want to do an airplane too.
Let me start out with Hannah because she's lighter. It's like warming up. Come here, Hannah. Airplane. You ready?
Hanna always goes next.
You ready?
Hanna always goes next.
You gotta grab my hand with both your hands, okay? You gotta grab, because we're only gonna do one hand. Whoa! What are you doing? No! No! She's falling on my head! Sully, I don't know if I could do you with one hand. You gotta hold on. What?
Those are airplanes.
Grab my hand with both your hands. There you go. Hanna, what are you doing? No! No! She's falling on my head!
No, it's Shannon's turn to come.
Grab both your hands on my one hand. Both of them. Grab my wrist. There we go. We crashed. Terrorist took us down.
Now me.
Ah! What is she doing?
My turn.
My phone! I had text. Okay. Both hands on my one hand. There you go. Okay, Sully, don't stay up there. Don't fall on my head. Don't.
Now my turn.
You guys are trying to fall on my head. Come here. Grab my hand with both hands. Come on, you gotta hold on with both hands. You're getting heavy.
No, Shani does it.
Alright, you got a good grip? Whoa! Whoa!
Hanna should have gone me. That's how I did you. Do me now.
You again? You got it? Alright. Oh no! No, she's not flying. She's nose diving.
Now my turn. Hanna, this time I have to pull my legs. Alright, before I fall on Sarah.
You're gonna fall on me? No, Sully.
Yeah!
Don't fall.
Didn't even fall.
You didn't even fall.
Now, put my legs. That's what I keep doing.
Grab. Alright. Ah! Whoa!